This is my first CRAFTSMAN V20 air compressor tool only. You can power it by a wall, a car adapter, or the V20 battery. It has an auto shut off. Here is what it looks like, and we'll be right back after this short break. And don't touch that dial. We'll be right back after this short break. We are back. You get this in the box, the manual, and you get this. You get the air compressor and the AC, DC power, digital display, and the other things right there. You get the thing to put to connect it to the air. This is the tool only version, and you could get it powered by plugging it into the wall or plugging it into the plug on your car or the battery. And thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.